Yo, what's up? Welcome to Fizzy's HQ. Today I have a surprise for you guys. We're going to be doing an unboxing, of the OnePlus 5T. So yeah, let's get into it. This is my very first OnePlus product, and I'm really excited by it. At one point, I was going to get the OnePlus 5, but I was just making sure that they weren't going to come up with another phone like they did last year. I feel kind of bad for the people that got the OnePlus 3 and they were like, oh no, OnePlus 3T. And I also feel bad for the people that got the OnePlus 5. They're like, oh my god, OnePlus 5T. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's kind of unfair to the consumer that thought they were gonna get a really good phone for it. I also have some products for you guys that I also ordered with the phone because I'm really clumsy and I end up breaking stuff, so I got some extra protective things like a gear. I also got a lens, like a lens. I don't know what it's called, like a camera lens, I guess. Here's the phone. Pretty majestic in the boxing. Not gonna lie. I do love the simplicity of this boxing though. Very simple, very elegant. So, in case you want to see it, it's very nice. Love the little dash of red right there. It makes a huge difference. Here's the phone. We're just gonna pop it out right there. Whew, that is smooth. Inside the box, we have the amazing dash charging. Apparently it has an output of 40 volts, but I'll have to make sure of that. I'm going to be doing a review of the phone, maybe 10 days or 2 weeks from now, but you'll hear more about that later. The power brick right here. It's a very hefty power brick, though. A lot heavier than the Apple power brick, even heavier than the Samsung power brick. Nothing else in there. Let's see what else comes with the phone. Wow, this is a heavy phone, surprisingly. Very heavy. A little writing. The antenna bands, I have to admit, are pretty nice. Some people had issues with them. I'm not sure why. I like them. I do like the antenna bands. I wish they were all black, but you can't get everything. Let's just put that down right there. See what else comes in here. Okay. Oh, nice. It sends you a nice rubber case. I'm not going to be able to use this because I need something a lot more protective. Like I said, I'm very, very clumsy. You have your little SIM card tool, quick start guide. Let me know, does anybody actually ever read the quick start guide? I don't know anybody that actually read. I mean, it's in there. So, not bad. Here's some stickers, if you're into that kind of stuff. Yeah, but I'll read that later. No need to worry about this for now. Let's get the phone unpeeled and stuff. Okay. Let's take off the sticker in the back. Oh my god, that is so soothing. That is so soothing to remove. I know I'm not the only person. I know I'm not the only person in the world that enjoys doing that. Comes with a screen protector, like just off the bat. Wow. I don't know how to remove it. This is coming off pretty easily too. Okay. Whew. That is so smooth looking. I can't tell you. That is such a smooth phone. A little slippery. Not gonna lie. A little slippery right there. Let's hope the phone is charged. It is charged. Nice. Okay. We're just gonna pop on the case on it because I don't know. There's a chance I might drop the phone, and if I do, you're gonna see that. So yeah, that's a little loading up logo if you're into that. Very, very elegant actually. I didn't realize how big the screen was. Here, we're just getting into the phone. United States. Yep, let's do it. Let's go. Okay. Sure. I like the OnePlus Slate. What is this? What's the difference? Okay, we're just getting into the text and everything. Not really sure. I'll skip that for now. Setup is new actually. I'll just do that later. I'll skip the Wi-Fi for now. But yeah, so you know what? While this is happening, I will show you guys what else I got with the phone. I ordered this from AliExpress. I record these videos from Karachi, Pakistan, so I can't really order Amazon here. But it's the best thing we have, so I'm not going to complain. I got this really rugged case actually, because like I said, I am very clumsy. So yeah, check it out. Very, very solid. It's very nice to hold in the hand. I'm actually gonna, very nice to hold. I'll show it to you guys. It's by a company called Zhashusum. I can't pronounce that. ZHSHUM. Zahushum. Whatever. But they seem nice though, so it's alright. I'll just skip this for now. It's not really happening, but I'll do it later. It's okay. No worries. Tane, what is my time? Sure, that is cool. I'll fix all this later. I just want to show you guys the phone. What is my name? My name is Fizzy, right? But Okay, here we go. Skip. Skip anyway. No. Sure, agree. Nope. Next. All set. I'll do all this later. Wow, look at this phone though. It is so smooth. Very, very snappy. But I mean, I guess that's what you get with the I guess that's what you get when you get the Snapdragon 835, you know? So, very snappy phone. Full review to come later, but I just want to show you guys the unboxing experience of the phone. So, it's very nice. Very nice. Wow. Solid. I'll show you guys more later about the phone, but for now let's just so here's the case I got. I'll show you guys actually how it looks with the case on. I think it's kind of big. If you're into big cases, I don't recommend it for you. But if you're a clumsy like me when it comes to your phone, I recommend it. So yeah. Oh yeah. See, very sturdy, very nice and sturdy. So there's even bumpers on the side, so when it falls, right, you don't break your screen or anything. I have a lens protector. If anybody's into that, I'll leave the link for these products down below, all from AliExpress. It came to me in Pakistan about 3 weeks. Damn near 4, I would say, but not too. Ordering it from China to here isn't that bad, but yeah, it's a little lens for your camera right there. If anybody's into that, it's kind of neat, I guess. And then I did not know the phone came with a screen protector, so I always just order extras because I'm that kind of person. Like they say, fortune favors the prepared. So, little quote for you guys right there. But yeah, I got 2 of them, which I thought was a great deal. I'll have to see which one is better. I might just leave that on because it came stock with the phone. Yeah, I got 2. Yeah. Well, yeah, there you have it. That's the unboxing experience of OnePlus 5T. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and comment, subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for joining Fizzy's HQ. Peace.